If Ctrl plus A is not working, actually due to the keyboard hardware issue and maybe a software conflict or the specific application being out of focus. So now open the on-screen keyboard first and click the Ctrl plus A keys on the virtual keyboard. If it works, your physical keyboard has a hardware fault. Your left control key may be the physically damaged or dirty. So second thing is you need to restart your keyboard driver. So for this you need to right click on the start button and click on the device manager. So once the device manager open, you need to select the keyboard, and here is the keyboard. You need to expand it and right click on the HID keyboard device and update the driver. And if the issue is still not fixed, then you need to go to the standard PS2 keyboard and right click and uninstall the device. So Windows will automatically reinstall the driver upon reboot. So after that, I hope your issue will be fixed and Ctrl plus A will be working. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.